Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Thursday, the 1st of May, 2014. Not a lot of hazardous weather is expected over the coming days across northern Michigan, although our persistent wet pattern is forecast to continue through Saturday, as several weather disturbances will be making their way across the upper Great Lakes and bring periods of rain showers to the region. The only real concern we have is the fact that we do have elevated river levels already due to our recent rainfall, and the fact that we also have some saturated soils across the region means the possibility we could see some minor localized flooding near some area rivers. We're not expecting to see anything as widespread as we saw back in April, but there is a threat we could see a few rivers spill over their banks through the weekend. Looking at the current weather map, we continue to see a disorganized area of low pressure hanging over the upper Great Lakes region with quite a bit of precipitation spinning around it. We will see more in the way of rain showers across the region during the afternoon hours, especially across northern lower Michigan. Across the upper peninsula, precipitation is expected to be a little more persistent throughout the day, and that is the trend that is expected to continue into tonight as well. And that may lead to a little better chance for some flooding issues across parts of the eastern UP, where again soils are moist and they do have quite a bit of water in the rivers due to some of the recent snowmelt. Over the coming days, the area of low pressure that's over the upper Great Lakes today will be weakening and moving off to the northeast, but there is another disturbance which will be heading into the region heading into the weekend, as we see in this top right map on this 4-map series, and that will continue for rain showers across the region. It's possible we could finally see some dry weather as we head into Sunday. Here's a look at daily precipitation forecast. The day 1 forecast in the top left runs from this morning through 8 a.m. Friday morning. And again, most of the focus for precipitation, upwards of about a half inch or so, will be possible across the eastern upper peninsula. On Saturday, again, some widespread but mostly light precipitation is expected. And in the bottom panel, that forecast runs from 8 a.m. Saturday through 8 a.m. Sunday morning. And again, we continue to see the threat for mostly light rain across the region, but it should be fairly widespread. Again, we do expect the possibility of some drier weather moving in for the latter half of the weekend. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thank you for listening in. The next update can be expected around 6 a.m. Friday morning.